What if the power to shape your reality lies in the simple act of prayer? What if prayer could be more than just a plea to a distant deity, but an intimate conversation with your inner self? Welcome to a journey through Neville Goddard's teachings on the power of prayer. In the heart of Goddard's teachings, there exists a chapter titled Prayer. This chapter unveils the art of prayer not as a religious obligation, but as a metaphysical practice. A practice that harnesses the power of feeling to manifest one's desires into reality. Imagine a world where you are the sculptor and reality is your clay. Goddard's teachings suggest just that. He proposes that the world around us is nothing more than a reflection of our inner beliefs and feelings. When we pray, we're not reaching out to an external entity, but conversing with our inner self. In the chapter Prayer, Goddard emphasizes the role of feeling in prayer. He suggests that the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the secret to effective prayer. Picture your desired outcome, feel the joy and satisfaction as though it's already achieved, and let that feeling saturate your consciousness. This, according to Goddard, is the true essence of prayer. Goddard also introduces the concept of controlled reverie, a state of conscious dreaming. He advises us to enter into a drowsy, relaxed state akin to sleep, but not quite there. In this state, our subconscious mind is more receptive, allowing us to impress upon it our desired feelings more effectively. In summary, the chapter Prayer presents a transformative approach to prayer. It encourages us to shift our perspective from viewing prayer as a request to an omnipotent deity to seeing it as a conversation with our inner self. It emphasizes the role of feeling in shaping our reality and introduces the concept of controlled reverie as a method to more effectively impress our desires upon our subconscious mind. So, as we delve deeper into the teachings of Neville Goddard, we're invited to explore the power within us, to harness the power of prayer, not just as a religious practice, but as a tool to shape our reality. If this exploration into the power of prayer resonated with you, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the teachings of Neville Goddard. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming content. And if you think this video could help someone you know, why not share it with them? Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. Until next time.